Welcome to Dwarf Fortress and welcome to the channel. I'm Twisted Logic. In this episode I'm going to show you how to make a modular infinite power source for your fortress. You want to start off by digging out this shape right here. These are two channels here. I got two of them set up here and I'm going to be building pumps in the middle here. So build Shift M for machine components and then S for a screw pump. And I'm going to have this pump from the south. So I'm going to press M on the keyboard to face it south. It doesn't matter what the materials are there. Since this is going to be water, so it doesn't require magma safe, but the pumps are going to require blocks, a enormous corkscrew, and either a pipe section or a tube. So this is the top layer here. Down one level, we just have a hallway that leads into this area. Over on this side, I'm going to be connecting it to the reservoir. So I'm going to pull this lever here. And this lever is going to open up these two floodgates. Designations and then dig. And then with the plus and minus, I'm going to do priority 1 here and get that one and that one. And this diagonal leading off of the reservoir is going to keep the pressure on this level so the water doesn't come up. That's so that way you don't flood your fortress. If you do this diagonal, the water will remain on this level and it won't be able to come up 1Z level. Now they're building the pumps, the floodgates are open, and they're popping open the reservoir now. Excellent. So I'm going to go to designations H for a hole or channel, and then on the section of the pump here to the north where the output of the water is, I'm going to come up one level and then just mark off a channel, and same on this one. Just going to dig out this whole section here because I'm going to have a gear assemblies attached to the pumps here and here, and they are going to connect. Excellent. So both pumps are now completed, so I can go to build, Shift M for machine components, and then lowercase w for water wheel, and then just attach that to the pump. It's going to require 3 logs of any type. Build another one next to it. So each pump is going to have 4 water wheels. So they're going to build these 4 water wheels. If for some reason they can't build this one right here, they need to have access. So the dwarf needs to stand on this tile in order to build this water wheel. So if you have a wall here, they're not going to be able to build it. So B, Shift M for machine components, and then G, lowercase g for a gear assembly. And 1 level up, I'm going to build that over top of the hole connected to the top of the pump. It's going to require mechanisms of any type, or mechanisms of any material here. Okay, and then a horizontal axis. The horizontal axis can be east or west or north and south. S to change the orientation, north and south, or S to change the orientation again, east and west. I'm going to put that right here connecting both pumps. And I can do another horizontal axis. And another gear assembly, and then connect whatever I want off of this, whether that's a magma gun or a minecart system. This horizontal axle is not completed yet. However, this one is, and these 2 gear assemblies are. If you look at the power required now, it's going to add up all of the machine components that are attached into one system. So this pump right here is requiring 23. This is a pump and a gear assembly, so it's only requiring 15. Once this is connected to each pump, then all of the totals are combined. So now the total power of the pump here is 35. So we have 10 for the water wheel, 10 for the water wheel, 10 for the pump, 5 for the gear assembly. And now this construction is complete. So all of the mechanisms are now connected together here. And this pump here and this pump here are now both requiring 73 power. So now the infinite power source is completed. It's requiring 123 power, and as you connect things to it, it's going to require more power to operate. However, it's expandable, so I could build another one right here, another one next to it here, another one next to it here, and so on down the line until I get enough power required for whatever I'm creating in the fortress. But in order to turn it on, I'm just going to go to this pump right here and press enter to start pumping manually. And one of the pump operators is going to come on down and turn this pump on. It's going to pump water from here to this location and then spread out and turn the water wheel. Once the water wheels start turning, then all of the water wheels are going to start turning. It's going to turn on this pump, and the pump operator is going to leave. There he goes. So now if I look at the total required power, it's still 123, but the total power that this system is creating is 800. It does fluctuate up and down. Each one of these water wheels is going to produce 100 power, and looks like right now it's 700. So thank you very much for watching, and subscribe for more videos.